Actually, Audi is really more following their own claim called Vorsprung durch Technik. They're showing loads of innovations, loads of new models, and the actual highlight is the new Audi Q7. The car, as you see it here, is a brand new car, constructed from the base. It's packed with new innovations and technologies. And what's the difference between that car and other premium SUV? We're gonna have a closer look now.
The new Audi Q7 sets new standards in technology, space, fuel consumption and handling. Audi describes the design of the new Q7 as lean and harmonious. Immediately distinctive from the large framed grille at the front, paired with optional LED and matrix LED headlamps, it forms the striking face of the Q7. The large, long side panels of the 5.05-metre SUV are skillfully diffused through strips with Quattro lettering. Thanks to a sinking roofline and long windows, the Q7 is visually lighter. At the rear, the broad impact of the Q7 is reinforced with horizontal lines and flat tail lights, reducing its visual height.
For the new Audi Q7, Audi offers a range of 3 different engines with 218 up to 333 brake horsepower. The most efficient one is the diesel with 218 brake horsepower. Later in the year, they're going to offer a plug-in hybrid. This one got 373 brake horsepower.
Modern and luxurious are the 2 words that best describe the interior. The finishing as well as the choice of materials are first class and of exceptional quality. The well-shaped front seats offer optional massage functions and are heated or ventilated when needed. The MMI touch interface can be accessed intuitively from the multifunction steering wheel and the center console, making all inputs easy to navigate and learn. The operation of the large glass surface of the MMI Touch feels natural and allows you to write, zoom and scroll, providing haptic feedback after every action.
In the new Audi Q7 you will now also find the full digital cockpit. That means you can configure the cockpit the way you like it. There are plenty of information shown, but it's very comfortable, it's very good. You find everything you need at the point and when you need it.
Everything in the interior looks and sounds great, not least the new Audi 3D sound system. Thanks to a drag coefficient of 0.32 and superb insulation, exterior noise hardly manages to penetrate the interior. Although the new Q7 is 37mm shorter and 15mm narrower than its predecessor, the interior dimensions have grown. The new interior scores well with an increase of 21mm in length between the first and second row of seats, with 41mm more headroom in the front and 23mm more in the back. Even the luggage compartment sets new standards. The 5-seater Q7 offers 890 litres of cargo space, which can be extended to up to 2,075 litres with the rear seats folded. In the 7-seater version, the space drops to 770 or 1,955 litres.
Our test car got a 3-litre TFSI engine on board with 333 brake horsepower and 440 Nm of torque. And that together with the 8-gear Tiptronic makes the car really agile, nearly sporty to drive. It's great fun. And Audi says the fuel consumption is about 7.7 litres a 100 km. I think for that size of a car, that's a very good value.
The completely redesigned drive and significant weight savings in combination with the optional rear axle steering give the Q7 an agility that really surprises for such a large car.
The
new Q7 has a completely revised chassis and a completely new design of both front and rear axle. We've used a 5-link axle, which gives us an on-roader with off-road functionality. This means the vehicle has a very good long-distance comfort. For agility, weight reduction helps. We've taken 100 kilograms out of the vehicle from the suspension, and that's a perfect match for agile driving behavior. For off-road functionality, the optional air suspension is a perfect match. And for the maneuverability of the vehicle, the all-wheel steering is a perfect addition that brings agility to the vehicle, especially in the low-speed range. At high speeds, it's exactly the reverse from low. In the low speed range, the wheels maneuver in opposite to the front axle. The vehicle turns much tighter. At high speeds, the wheels maneuver in the same direction as the front axle. That means we have an improved steering response as well as increased driving stability. This benefits long-distance comfort. The new generation of the Q7 brings the arrival of a whole range of assistance and safety features. Probably the most important new features are the adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assistant, trailer assistant, and crossing traffic assistant. The Q7 has particularly impressed with its SG Predictive Efficiency Assistant. This changes the behavior of the cruise control to anticipate required acceleration and braking, such as changing speed limits or contours in the road, to optimize fuel consumption and increase ride comfort. Those wanting to buy the new Audi Q7 can decide on which model they want while they're waiting. Currently, the starting price is €60,900 for the 272 PS diesel. The base version with a smaller diesel engine is likely to be a bit cheaper. The price is well equipped, but can easily rise by several €1,000 because the list of available extras is long.
With the new Audi Q7, Audi reaches two very important targets. On the one hand, the exterior design is a lot more modern, more fresh, and the car really looks pretty. And the size of the car you'll find at the interior because space is grown a lot. On the other hand, the car is a lot more agile, a lot more sporty, and it's real fun to drive. And these are two good reasons to buy that car.